Welcome to the presentation of our internet website and our online shop for our mini business Ecocase. To get onto our website, you will need to type mini-ecocase.be in the search bar. You will then reach our home page, on which you will be able to find information about our journey and our achievements. Our homepage will offer to take you to the page where you will be able to find more information about the idea behind our projects, tailor-made kits, the shop, the basket, and how to contact us. We will now go more in depth on how the shop works. Please click on the icon boutique, which means shop in French. The website will lead you to the page shop, where you will be able to choose between a small kit and a big kit. In this tutorial, we will choose the big kit. Nonetheless, the procedure is identical regardless of the product chosen. After clicking on the product, you will reach the page with all the different types of kits. You will then be able to choose a model. If you wish to have more details about the kit, you can use your mouse to zoom. Now, I decide this is my ideal kit. But first, I want to have a look at the description. After adding the kit to the basket, you will need to click on the icon basket or panier in French to finalize your purchase. You will need to input the country and the quantity. This will inform you of what the price of the delivery will be. You will then click on Valider la commande, meaning confirm the order in French. This will lead us to the final page where the confirmation of the order will take place. You will need to input your first name and your last name, as well as other essential information. We offer different ways to pay, such as bank transfer, PayPal, MasterCard, and more. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us by clicking on the green ball on the bottom right hand corner, or by clicking on the icon Nous contacter to contact us on Facebook, Instagram, or via mail. Now we simply have to validate the order. Thank you for listening to this tutorial, and don't forget, Ecocase is our case.